Yeah, HydroPro was founded in 1997. Some friends of mine, people I had worked with over the years since the really the early 80s, decided to go into business. Stan Yokel, Dave Osbrink, and I saw a need for a company that could provide products quickly and accurately, and be able to go to a job site and do what it needed to be done without the normal testing and evaluation and redesign and reinvention that you see most of the times in the field. We decided that we would take everything that was lacking in what we needed, which was equipment for expanding tubes, for testing tubes, for sealing leaking joints, whatever the case may be, and that's expanded quite a bit, but we would bring it in-house, make it here, design it here, produce it here, test it here, and then even go out in the field and train people and supply them the equipment and the expertise in how to use it.
At HydroPro Incorporated, we've developed and engineered the most advanced method of tube-to-tube sheet expansion technology available anywhere in the world. We do hydraulic tube expansion as opposed to mechanical rolling, which is a more traditional method of expansion. The HydroPro system actually allows for an extremely high pressure capability for the expansion process itself, and it creates a very smooth expansion area, smooth transition between unexpanded and expanded region.
We bring in raw products that we machine, both polyurethanes and plastics and specialty metals, exotic metals of every kind, super duplex and Al6XN and every space age material you can think of. We machine in-house, we assemble the parts, test the tools on the sites, at the locations, train the people, and get the job done, whatever it takes, and that's taken us a long way.